No, you just did. I missed it. Okay, another scoop, please. Good job. Very steady. Got it all in. So you can take another bite. Yay. Yay. Good job. Yum. That's cooked rice with coconut milk and a little bit of brown sugar. It likes to get every bite.
Okay, just gonna let all that stuff cool down.
Good job. What are you doing? You eating your rice? Wow, yay. Say good job, John. I know you're busy eating, but do you know where Wyatt's at? Wyatt! Say Wyatt! Call Wyatt. Call Wyatt. Where's Wyatt? No?
Wyatt!
Wyatt, where are you?
Wyatt!
Go ahead, John. Say Wyatt.
He said it twice.
Well, he's usually a bit... Well, yeah, he's usually a bit clearer. Alright, that's fine. Say bye-bye. What? Did you just say it? Did you say... Yay! Wyatt! Kitty, 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 kitty. Wyatt!
I don't know where Wyatt's at. Maybe he's down hunting the mouse.
Could you not announce to everybody we got a mouse?
Well, I'm not announcing it to everyone, just did the recording.
I was going to send this to my family.
Oh, well, we have a mouse. He may have been barricaded from re-entry.
What's that?
A cow? Kitty cat?
Kitty cat. Kitty cat.
Caca?
Say bye-bye. I'm not much for waving, but I say bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.